Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with fast, targeted actions that fix most crashes. Force Stop the Settings app and clear its cache and data to remove corrupted temporary files. This often restores stability. Once done, reboot the device so system services restart cleanly, and make sure you have at least 10% free storage so apps can write settings. Finally, check Play Store and system updates. Outdated components cause incompatibility. These steps remove common causes and prepare the device for deeper fixes if needed. If the problem persists, booting into safe mode helps determine if a third-party app is responsible. Safe mode runs only system apps. While there, reset app preferences to restore disabled system components and default behaviors that might block settings. If a recent app update correlates with crashes, uninstall that update or the app itself. Also inspect settings permissions and, if available, system logs to see which service fails. These actions identify and remove conflicts without erasing your personal data. When all else fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to restore the system to a known good state. This removes persistent corruption. After reset, update the OS and reinstall essential apps first, then monitor settings to confirm stability. If firmware remains faulty, reinstall the factory image or contact the device maker for a reflash. Make sure to capture and save crash logs or screenshots before sending them. This single troubleshooting tip speeds up support diagnosis and avoids repeated resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.